Let's get it.
Welcome, everybody, to a very special day for the Raiders and the city of Las Vegas. Las Vegas is officially an NFL city, something I never dreamed that I would someday be saying.
We all we got, baby.
We all we need.
That's all we got right here, all right? You're going to get everything out of me. I tell you every time. Give me everything you got and let's see what happens. 1 on 3, 1, 2, 3. Wait.
Carr with time.
Lots of time.
Wide open over the middle. It is caught.
Here's Jacobs at the hole. Touchdown. His second.
His third of the day.
That's a Josh Jacobs effect right there.
Hey, let me get another Gatorade. Y'all playing good makes it easier for me.
Defense, let's go.
Fullback, and the Raiders hit him. I'm not sure he got it. I'm not sure he got it.
Not yet. Here's Breeze. And it's
Oh,
intercepted.
yes.
It's picked off. Here's Carr. Take a shot. Why wouldn't you? And it is caught. And it is a touchdown.
Look at this.
Carr gonna loft this one toward the end zone. It is caught for the touchdown.
Downfield. Connection made with Aguilar. Touchdown, Raiders. He hits in goal. Second effort.
Oh, yeah.
And a wide open alley in goal.
He got it.
Caught for the touchdown. Morrow with the catch.
Booker is running with authority. Breaks tackles. Devontae Booker busting it to the outside. Carr steps away. Downfield. Catch is made. Hunter Renfro. Big play for Las Vegas.
Come on.
It's intercepted. Abram running it back. Yeah, baby. Vegas is going to win.
I told y'all we gonna shock the world, cuz.
Raider Nation unite.
Proud of you guys, man. Proud of you. Proud of you.
Hey, John, it's time to be a man, bro. Come on, bro. We believe in you, bro. Come on.
When it is up.
Here's Carr as they begin from their own 25-yard line. Waller's got some green grass in front of him. Running back. Play action from Carr. Throws a laser beam and completes.
Okay, Jason.
Here they come. Carr on 35, slinging it over the middle. It's caught. Waller on second and goal. Carr probing back in the end zone. It is caught.
Yeah!
Waiting for the touchdown.
Yes!
And how many times have we seen that?
Let's go, baby. Come on, baby. Show y'all young bucks what some swag is right there. You know what I'm saying? Swag.
The Las Vegas Raiders at the Kansas City Chiefs. The Chiefs favored by 13. They have pretty much dominated the Raiders during the Mahomes era.
Yeah, it's pretty hard to see how the Raiders win this.
Jackpot, baby!
Touchdown, Darren Waller.
Another rock out, yo. And playmakers make plays, man.
Let's focus today. Focus on the details. Do every little thing right. Let's depend on each other. Trust the preparation. It's time. Nothing left to be said. We know what we got to do. Win on 3. 1, 2, 3.
Want to take the lead on these guys? You guys want to take the lead?